Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. This video clip here, we're gonna do something that you can do pretty much to any vehicle. You see the H3 chrome right there? We're gonna debadge it. That's what we're gonna do. If you're interested and wanna learn more about this video, stay tuned. Welcome back. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you the materials that I'm gonna use to debadge this vehicle. Now the H3 emblems is what I'm taking off, and I got 3 of them, but I'm only gonna show you this one, and it's pretty simple. Let's get into the materials. So here are all the materials that you're gonna need to remove the badges. You're gonna start out with your heat gun. The purpose for the heat gun is pretty much to get the glue to kind of activate to a mushy stage. Then you're gonna come with your fish line. Fish line is gonna saw through the glue. Your power tool, you're gonna use a regular drill. The main thing that's gonna clear the glue and the adhesion that's behind the badge is this wheel, this rubber wheel. This rubber wheel will not affect your vehicle, the paint on your vehicle. It's rubber, and I advise you not to try this on a freshly painted vehicle. Isopropyl alcohol, that will clean up the residue and anything that's left behind. If you follow those instructions, you'll end up with success by removing all the badges that you'll need removed. So if you ever want to remove your emblem from your vehicle, you don't want to have your heat gun this close. You want to kind of back up off of it, kind of give it some room. Go in a sweeping motion, left to right. Go from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom in a left-right sweeping motion. Once you feel like that glue behind it is kind of activated to where it's in a mushy feel, that's when you want to come over it with your fish line. The fish line is going to go directly behind it, and it's just going to slice through. So as I do this, I'm going to have the motion of coming in from the angle, and I'm just going to saw it, and just go sawing it. And I'm going to eventually end up on the other side to where the emblem is going to come off. Now it doesn't take much. You don't have to do it in a motion to where you're going to hurt your fingers. Because remember, this is fish line. This could slice your fingers and potentially cut you. So take your time, do it in sweeping motion, and that emblem will be off just like that. Then we'll clean up the residue. So this concludes the video. Simple project. If you're ever thinking about debadging your emblems, go ahead and do so. You can't fail if you follow these instructions. Let me know what you think. If you got any more questions, leave it in the comment section. For those who have subscribed, I really appreciate it. For those who haven't, please feel free to do so. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.